Hey there. Ready to unlock the full power of your business with the Elite Command Center from DSU Consulting? Let me walk you through exactly how you can use appdsuconsultingllc.com to take your business to the next level, whether you're brand new or a synth staff pro. First up, when you log in, you'll land right on the Command Center dashboard. This is your mission control, every stat, every update, all in one place. You'll see snapshots of your leads, pipeline, and key performance metrics, so you always know where you stand. Now, check out the sidebar menu on the left. This is your toolkit. Let's start with conversations. Here, all your client chats, emails, and texts are organized in real time. No more hunting through inboxes. Everything's here, easy to access and manage. Next, hit opportunities. This is where you'll track your sales pipeline visually, drag and drop leads as they move through your funnel, see exactly who needs attention, and never let a deal slip away. Speaking of funnels, let's jump into the funnel builder. Don't worry if you're not techie. Just drag, drop, and launch stunning landing pages in minutes. Every tool you need to capture leads and drive conversions is built right in. Automation time. Head over to workflows. Here you can build smart, automated sequences that follow up with leads, tag contacts, and instantly notify your team. It's like having an extra set of hands so you can focus on bigger goals. Need to send a campaign? The email and SMS marketing suite is your new best friend. Choose a template, craft your message, and schedule it to send. Super simple. Track opens, clicks, replies, all updated live so you can keep refining your strategy. Want to gather feedback or boost your reputation? Use the forms, surveys, and reputation builder tools to collect insights from your clients and manage reviews across the web. It's never been easier to build trust and credibility with every interaction. And that's just the start. Your custom command center isn't just software. It's your business growth engine. Ready to dive in? Go to appdsuconsultingllc.com and start exploring features that will drive your success. Got questions or want to see more tips? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit subscribe for weekly growth hacks from me and the Synth Staff team. Launch your command center now and shape the future of your business.